Welcome everyone. Today we are taking a quick look at the JJN 550 Watt Bifacial Solar Panels, a powerful and modern solar solution built for serious energy needs. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get the solar panel at the best price in the market. This JJN 550W bifacial system comes as a two-panel set delivering a massive combined output of 1,100 watts, which immediately makes it appealing for homeowners, farm owners, RV users, and anyone planning an off-grid setup. One of the biggest highlights is the bifacial design, which means the panels generate power from both the front and the back, allowing reflected sunlight to boost total energy output by up to 30% compared to standard panels. That extra gain can make a real difference over time, especially if your panels are installed on rooftops or bright surfaces. The monocrystalline cells are built for high efficiency and long-term reliability, and the panels are engineered to perform consistently even during cloudy or overcast conditions. Another strong advantage is installation simplicity, since higher wattage panels mean you need fewer units, fewer mounting brackets, and less wiring, which can significantly reduce overall system costs. Pre-drilled mounting holes also help speed things up for both DIY users and professional installers. From a financial perspective, the higher output helps maximize return on investment, with lower balance of system expenses and better long-term savings. On the downside, these panels are physically large and heavier than lower wattage options, so they require adequate space and proper mounting support, which may not suit very small rooftops. The upfront cost is also higher, but that is expected for high-capacity bifacial technology and is usually offset by long-term energy production. Overall, the JJN 550 Watt Bifacial solar panels are a solid choice for anyone looking for dependable, high-output solar power with future-proof performance. To see the latest price, available offers, and payment options, make sure to check the link in the description below and see if this system fits your energy goals.